Hello everyone, on today's IRS tax refund update, we will check in on the latest with those tax processing delays, including the next batch of tax refund currently being prepared for release. Meanwhile, the delays continue on. We are going to recap several reasons why some of our viewers continue to experience delays and some of the steps you may want to take to ensure you are not a part of those impacted groups, as well as being able to access those tax transcripts for those of you waiting on those tax refunds and received confirmation you are part of the next refund batch. On the next round of paper refund checks are scheduled to be released on November 18th, while the next round of direct deposit refunds will be transmitted by the IRS to bank account on Wednesday, November 23rd. Now we continue to get reports at the refund status tracker on the IRS website is still not providing the most up-to-date information, and that even our viewers also have since received their tax refunds are still indicating that the website is showing their tax return is still being processed, which is clearly not the case. So make sure to check those text transcripts, and we'll provide step-by-step instruction on how to access your text transcripts later on. Now taking a look at some of the reasons why millions are still experiencing delays. It often starts with how they file their tax. The biggest group in the terms of total numbers impacted by those delays have been those tax paper filers. Now have been covered extensively. The issue paper filers have experienced all year, and it's a direct result of staffing issues, technology, funding, and errors, including the IRS having only 3 remaining processing centers left in the country. Now for those e-filers, it comes also down to several reasons, including completing ID verification. We have been hearing this all year long, and taxpayers, viewers of our channel who have been waiting months only to realize that this was the issue holding up their refund, and it was only after they spoke to the IRS, if they were lucky enough, or the taxpayer advocate service, were they even made aware of the issue. Another top reason why some of our viewers are continuing to experience delays is that the IRS is still needing to process their employers' wage information. If you are part of this impacted group, you probably by now have received one of the IRS 60 days notice like you see here. Now this is needed because the IRS must verify the wage you entered on your tax return versus what your employer is submitting to the IRS. Now child tax credits have been one of the biggest issues with this year, causing delays. It was reported earlier this year that IRS indicate over 12 million tax returns contained IRS, many claiming CTC, so they is taking resources away from the other tax returns. While the IRS processed and corrects those returns, advanced child tax credit payments had been primary issue related to CTC. Earlier this year, taxpayers received letter 6419 in the mail as seen here, but it was later determined that IRS sent out notices with the wrong amounts of advanced CTC payments listed, and that was after many taxpayers had already submitted their tax return, which in part caused the math errors on the tax returns requiring a manual adjustment by the IRS. Now to access those tax transcripts, you will want to log into the irs.gov website and click sign into your account as seen here on the your online account page. Click on the link below blue button that says sign into your account as seen here, and point login using your existing credentials. If you have not created an account on the IRS website, you will want to do so by clicking on the it.me create an account button as seen here. Once you create an account and log in, this will be your home page. From there, click on the view tax records on the right hand side of the screen as seen here. On the tax records page, click on the blue get transcripts button. On this page, click scroll down button and Click the federal tax on the reasons you need to a transcript and click the go button. On the get transcripts by page, simply click on the tags here under the record of account transcripts and the most up-to-date transcripts will be uploaded. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issues, including when and how you failed. Thank you to everyone who has posted comments in the comment section below. You have been doing our best to keep up with those comments due to sheer volume of them coming. It's taken us some time to respond. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation, and this was for today, and I hope you like the video. Please leave a like and also hit the subscribe button. I will see you next one. Bye bye.